You think you are a nice guy, but you always get ignored by girls. You are so nice, तुम बस उनकी तारीफें करते रहते हो दिन भर. You are not nice, but you are a nice guy. That term used for weak men who think being nice will lead him into a girl's pant. What you need to do? You don't need to be an asshole. You don't want to fake niceness either. You need to be somewhere in the middle. You don't need to be nice just for the sake of being nice. We don't have a need to fake it. You need to be kind, warm and loving. At the same time, you need to be a little disagreeable when you see something wrong. You disagree with a girl when you know she is wrong. तुम्हें उसकी हाँ में हाँ नहीं मिलाना है. Don't put girl on a pedestal. You think the girl you like can never do something wrong, that she's just this perfect being, goddess in human body. Even though she's a loser, she wastes all her time on phone, eating junk, watching Netflix. Oh no bro, she's a princess. No, she's not. I'm not saying just be rude, disrespectful to a girl, even though some girl genuinely deserve it. But at the same time, you shouldn't be overly nice to a girl just because she's a female. Let me tell you the truth bro, most girl doesn't even deserve your nice side. She deserve to get disrespectful. But you say, wait Sajal, I'm actually a nice good man, and for that I say yes you are, and it's good, it's very good. कुछ लोग कहते हैं I don't want to be nice, and I found it weird. मैं ऐसे लोगों के साथ अपने आप को नहीं देख सकता जो अच्छे ना हो, जो नाइस ना हो, and you are probably the same. ऐसे लोगों के साथ अपने आप को नहीं जोड़ सकते जो अच्छे कैरेक्टर के ना हो. You need to be nice, warm and loving to your family and friends who genuinely deserve your good side. You don't need to be a nice guy. This term nice guy means a man who fakes niceness and kindness just to attract a girl that he is into. This guy never disagree with a girl. मतलब उसको पता है कि ये गलत है मगर उसको कभी क्वेश्चन नहीं करेगा. Keep simping over her. It's not attractive bro. It's not. Now how to genuinely be a nice and a kind man? Hamza put it nicely. You need exposure to a man who is good with women, and you need to see how he navigate his relationship with her. For example, James Bond. You wouldn't think he's a nice man. He's a fucking assassin after all. But he calls girls out on her bullshit. But he's also kind and polite and very respectful. He just treat women the same as he treat other men. You need to watch guys who is good with women are. It's hard nowadays because majority of guys are simp. They are weak, docile. Some guys will think this is controversial, but if you want to be like James Bond, you are a simp currently. You need a phase in your life where you become an asshole, hateful, a little bit hostile towards women, and eventually find a balance side to not be a complete asshole and not to be a complete simp. Some guys can just skip this part. मतलब वो simp से सीधा एक balance side पे जा सकते हैं जिसमें वो बहुत simp नहीं है और बहुत disrespectful नहीं है. You are not one of them. I was not. You need a period in your life where you go from overly nice to being a little bit hateful towards women. I've done this myself. No one will tell you this, but honestly I need to go through this phase where I just hating on women for no reason. Stupid bitches who they are good for nothing. I had to go through this phase to be on more balanced side. मैं अभी भी वहाँ नहीं हूँ जहाँ मैं होना चाहता हूँ. But you need a transition from it brother. You need to be aggressive towards the world and little pissed off towards women. Don't be violent you idiot. I'm not saying that. You find progress when you turn your aggressive part on towards women and the world. It will work when you think like I've been lied to. The women are not even that special. They are just human being and I treated them like goddess. After some time, your aggression will eventually subside and you find more balanced side of your consciousness. After this, you will only find positive things about women. See them for what they really are. Some guys like me really need this transition. But just remember, don't get stuck on being overly nice to a girl who doesn't even deserve it, and don't get stuck on hating on them for no good reason. Transition on the more balanced side as soon as possible, where you see women for what they really are. You put her out on this pedestal that you put her in. If a girl did something wrong to you, your response will be the same. If the thing is done by a guy, you treat her like a human being. You treat her good only when she deserves it, not because she's a woman. When you get to that balance side and you finally put the girl out of the pedestal, you realize मैं जिस लड़की को पसंद कर रहा हूँ वो एक लूजर है. She eat junk food. She uses her phone all the time, scrolling. I won't even talk to her if she was a guy. She's repulsive. Why I'm being this nice to her? She's not even a polite person. You need to respect yourself. Don't be overly nice to a person that doesn't even deserve it. Click to watch this video next. No one coming to save you. Get to work.